All right, done. Holy cow, that was a lot, even for a small model, but got her all done. Here is our Fairlady Z. I like the yellow accents. I think that really makes it look a lot better. The gold rims, gold windshield wipers, gold side view mirrors. Put a few decals, didn't go too crazy with the decals. Made sure I got the defroster on there. Rear license plate lights, got the exhaust under there. Yep, pretty happy. This was a lot of fun. I did this last year, and I'm so glad I did it again this year. This was definitely a little bit more challenging because I wanted to try something different with paint. So yeah, painting probably took the most. The build itself was pretty easy. I mean, the kit wasn't nothing. I mean, it's a curbside kit, so no engine, anything like that. So yeah, it went together fairly quick. Just wanted to make sure I got the paint looking good. So probably end up getting her polished up with some Tamiya polish just to kind of bring it out just a little bit more and get the windows cleaned up some. But yeah, very happy. This was a lot of fun. Thanks to Modeler for putting this on, and can't wait again for next year's. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.